Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says solve for the value of x. 27 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. So in this case, we are going to find the value of x in this exponential expression. And we have solution. We have 27 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. So in this case, 27 raised to the power of x can be rewritten as, when we have 27 raised to the power of x, it's the same thing as 9 times 3 all raised to the power of x. So this is the same thing as 9 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x. So we are going to substitute here into where we have 27 raised to the power of x. So we have 9 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. So in this case, here we have 3 raised to the power of x and 3 raised to the power of x. So we can factor it out. We have 3 raised to the power of x into 9 raised to the power of x minus 1, because 3 times 1 is 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. So in this case, we have here, we can rewrite this one as 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x, because here 3 times 9, the same thing that we have here. When we have 9 raised to the power of x equals to 3 times 3 all raised to the power of x. This is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x, because x will be distributed into 3 and 3. So here is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of x into 9 raised to the power of x minus 1 all over 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. So in that case, we can factor out the denominator and we have here as 3 raised to the power of x into 9 raised to the power of x minus 1 all over. Then factorize this, we have 3 raised to the power of x into 3 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 28. So in this case, we have 3 raised to the power of x and 3 raised to the power of x. It will cancel each other. And we are now left with 9 raised to the power of x minus 1 all over 3 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 28. So here, we have a fraction here. In order for us to clear this fraction, we have to cross multiply. So this is the same thing as 28 all over 1. So we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 9 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 28 into 3 raised to the power of x minus 1. So this is what we have. So here is the same thing as, let's expand this. So we have 9 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 28 times 3 raised to the power of x minus 28. So this is what we have. Here, in this case, we are going to collect like terms. This 9 raised to the power of x, 9 raised to the power of x is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2 into all to the power of x, and this can be rewritten as 3 raised to the power of x all to the power of 2, because when we have a raised to the power of n all to the power of n can be rewritten as a raised to the power of m all to the power of n. So we can substitute this expression into where we have this. So we have 3 raised to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 28 times 3 raised to the power of x minus 28. So here we can collect like terms. So we have 3 raised to the power of x all to the power of 2. Then we transpose this into this other side. It becomes minus 28 times 3 raised to the power of x minus 1. So transpose minus 28 into this other side. It becomes plus 28 equals to 0. So in that case, we'll have the solution for that as, when we have this, here we have 3 raised to the power of x and we have 3 raised to the power of x here. So we need to collect like terms, or we say when we have 3 raised to the power of x here, we have 3 raised to the power of x. We say let m equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So we are going to substitute m where we have 3 raised to the power of x. So we have here as 3 raised to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus 28 times 3 raised to the power of x. Here we have minus 1 plus 28 will give us plus 27 equals to 0. So we say let m equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So we are going to have m raised to the power of 2 minus 28m, because here we say m equals to 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 equals to 0. Here we have gotten a quadratic equation in this expression. So we are going to solve this by using factorization method. So we have to multiply 27 times m squared and it will give us 27m squared. So two factors that will add or subtract that will give us 28m is 27 and 1. So in this case, we have m squared minus 27m minus m plus 27 equals to 0. Here, minus 27m minus m gives us minus 28m. So here we can factorize this. We have m into m minus 27. Then here we have plus 1 into, here we have minus 1 into m minus 27 equals to 0. So here we take one of the parentheses. We have m minus 27 all to multiply by m minus 1 equals to 0. In this case, we have m. It is either m minus 27 equals to 0 or m minus 1 equals to 0. Because when we have two products that is equal to 0, it is either one of the products equals to 0 or the other one is equal to 0. So in this case, we have here as m minus 27 equals to 0. Therefore, m equals to 27. And also we have m minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, m equals to 1, because or minus 1 will be transposed into this other side. We have 1. So we have two value of m here when m equals to 27 and m equals to 1. So in this expression, we said let m equals to 3x. So in that case, we are going to substitute the value of m that we have from our solution into where we have m equals to 3x. So in this case, as we said, m equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So we have when m equals to 27, we have 27 equals to 3x. So this is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So 3 will cancel here, 3 will cancel here. We have x equals to 3. So the second one is m equals to 1. So we have when m equals to 1. So here we have 3 raised to the power of x equals to 1. This is the same thing as we have 3 raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of 0, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 3 will cancel here and 3 cancel here because of the same base. We have x equals to 0. We have two values for x, which is x equals to 0 and x equals to 3. So in this case, if we substitute back the value of x as 0 into this expression, it's going to give us 0. This raised to the power of 0 is 1, and this raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 minus 1. Okay, let's do it. A simple check. When we have x raised to the power of 0, so we have 27 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 28. So when we have 27 raised to the power of 0 minus 3 raised to the power of 0 all over 9 raised to the power of 0 minus 3 raised to the power of 0 equals to 28. So in this case, 27 raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. 3 raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. All over 9 raised to the power of 0, 1. 3 raised to the power of 0, 1. So here equals to 28. Does it give us 28? No. 1 minus 1 is 0. All over 0 equals to, is not equal to 28. So in this case, the value of x equals to 0 cannot be used because it does not give us right hand side the value of our 28. Then for us to carry out the further checks on our answer, where we have x equals to 3. From the expression, we have 27 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 28. Let's check when we substitute the value of x equals to 3 into this expression, whether we have the left hand side at 28, which will become 28. So we have 27 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 all over 9 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 28. So this is the right hand side. So in this case, when we punch our calculator here, we have 19,683 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. All over 9 raised to the power of 3 is 729 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So in this case, when we minus 19,683 minus 27, is going to give us 1,656 all over. When we minus 729 minus 27 is going to give us 702. So here, when we punch our calculator, 19,656 all over 702 is going to give us 28. It therefore means that the value of x equals to 3 satisfies this expression. When we substitute into this expression, this other side gives us 28 and the right hand side is 28. And we conclude that the value of x satisfies that equation as equals to 3. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting talk. Thank you.